We should speak in such a way that people would love to listen to you, and listen in such a way that people would love to speak to you. And this is art of conversation. So, one conversation can make you a very memorable person. They will never forget you in their life. Certain tips we have to remember while entering a conversation. So, what are those tips? The first one is very positive. You should be positive when you meet a person. With your open body gestures and a warm smile, you can greet them. And you can start your conversation with any compliments. A small compliment. It can be regarding the color of their dress, or it can be regarding the handbag which they have chosen, all those things. It will make them very warm and they would like to enter a conversation with you. And the second point is, you have to definitely listen more. It should be about 70 to 30. 70% you have to listen to them, and 30% you have to talk. So that should be the proportion. And simply you can't listen to them. You have to listen with passion and with empathy. Then a kind of trust is developed between the two people. And the third point is, shift your focus completely on them. As human beings, we definitely have a tendency to brag about our own achievements. First of all, we would like to tell about our own things. There you have to have a control on yourself. Don't brag about your achievements too early. You have to listen to all of them. If in a group, listen to them very carefully. Then meanwhile, you can slowly enter into your own ideas or conversation. And the next point is, always refrain from the talk about religion and politics, because the other person is never going to tell the truth. They may not be telling you the truth. So it can create a kind of hatred if you talk badly about a religion or political leader whom they admire. So please refrain from that. Instead of that, you can change the conversation to a lighter topic. It can be anything. It can be about the weather, or the cat crossing the road, or the bird chirping on the tree, or that little small girl playing during the birthday party. It can be anything. It's like the art. You have to change the conversation. The next point is, if anybody asks you a personal question, it can be regarding anything else. For example, it can be your age, or how much money is there in your wallet. These type of personal questions, it can be asked in a group also. Some people do like that. So you don't have to be embarrassed or nervous. You can just tell them that, oops, it's too personal, I will answer you later. Like that you can tell. So it's totally acceptable. You don't have to answer each and every question. The next point is, you can ask a question to them. Questioning is very important, but it should lead the topic to different dimension. And don't ask questions which are too personal, or like questions which are often asked in an interview board. Never ask these type of questions. Continuously don't ask questions. It should not be for comparing yourself with them. These type of things will appear you as a very funny person. So don't do all these things. And the next one is, you can be inclusive. Like you are speaking to a group members, you can include everyone. While answering something, you have to look everybody and tell the answer. Then it would be more interesting and fun. And the last one is to close your conversation with class or a positive note. It's pleasure talking to you. I enjoyed the time with you. Hope we will meet again. All those things. So these are the tips for a good conversation. Now some additional tip is, develop a very good reading habit, either from social media or any current affairs or any kind of information, keep informed. Okay, it will help you in all sorts of conversation. So have a happy day. See you the next time.